Email marketing is where 99% of your sales should be coming from? No way. Yes way. Email marketing is one of the best things that can happen for your product. Growing your email list, offering it to your product, getting people to know your story and your product is how you're going to make a lot of sales, because 99% of people don't buy on the first touch. And in today's video, it's exactly what we're going to talk about. Email marketing and how to collect email addresses to drive your product. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kyle Heaney and I create videos about how we are going to grow your online business or your business. I give reviews and trainings on different products and websites that help to grow your business. If you get value from the content today, please remember to leave a like at the end of the video. Also subscribe to this channel, and every time I create a new video, I'll send you a notification so you don't miss out on any opportunities. So like I said before, how are we going to grow your email list so that we can get your product out? We're going to use a little website called ClickFunnels. We're going to create sales funnels, and also we're going to create an input to capture email addresses. If you don't have ClickFunnels, there's a link down below in the description. I suggest you click on the link and sign up. And then what you can do is, while you watch the video, you can put into action what I'm saying. So if you have ClickFunnels open and the video is open, as I show you something, you can put it into your ClickFunnels. That way, it makes it easier to learn. If you miss out on something or you didn't understand something, just rewind the video and watch it again. So let's get into ClickFunnels. So once you've signed up, you're going to sign back into ClickFunnels and it's going to bring you to your home page. This is the back office inside of ClickFunnels. So what do we need to do now? We're going to build our very own funnel. So we're going to click on the button over here and it's going to take us over to this page. So in this training, what we're doing is collecting email to grow your email list in order to offer your products to more people. So over here, we're going to collect emails. We're going to name this test for training. And we're going to build our funnel. So with this, we need to create two pages. We're going to create an input page where people are going to actually input their name and the email address. And also we're going to create the second page, which is a thank you page with a small video about us or just some text saying thank you. Or maybe we offer them a free product, like if you're offering a diet, you can offer a free PDF ebook or something along those lines. And then we're going to link them over where we're going to put our affiliate link and link them over to the product. And then if somebody buys that product, we earn a commission. So as you can see here, there are hundreds of different templates you can choose from. You can create your own and archive the templates, or you can reuse templates, or you can go buy it from their marketplace, a whole bunch of different templates. As you can see, they give you a lot off the bat. So we can choose a simple template for us to use today. Maybe we click on, let's try this one. I'm just going to show you the basics about how to use ClickFunnels. If you want to go more in depth into ClickFunnels and every single feature, there are videos out there that will show you exactly how to go more in depth inside of ClickFunnels. So the first thing you need to do is we need to set up our website. So over here, you need to input your domain. If you don't have a domain, you can go to GoDaddy and create a domain and a professional email address. Like this, you can input them into ClickFunnels, and then you won't have any problem with spam filters from emails and that kind of stuff. There's a link down below to GoDaddy inside of the description. You can click onto that, and over there you can create a domain. At the moment now, they are running a special where it's $1 for the year and then $17 for the year after. Normally it goes for about $20 per year, but they are running a special now. Now it's the 23rd of December 2020, so maybe they change it. But at this moment, they are running a special. From there, you can also create a professional email address. You need to do this because when you have your autoresponder set up, you need to come from a professional email address. If you use a Gmail account, most of your emails are going to go straight into people's spam filters, and that's not what we want. So make sure you get a professional email address. So once you have a domain, you're going to put the domain here. So my domain is kyleheaney.com. So that's going to be my domain, and it's going to help our web address and our links. So we're going to save that over here. Then what we need to do is we need to edit the link to what product we're going to be. So every product that you have, you don't need to create a new domain. You can have one domain. So mine is kyleheaney.com, and then we can change it. So let's say the product we're going to do today is weight loss. So we can go kyleheaney.com/dieting. And then this funnel will be our dieting funnel. This whenever we use this link, it's going to come directly to this page. So now we need to set everything up. Over here, we're going to click on edit page, and this is where we're going to begin the process. So in ClickFunnels here, this is your basic page. At the top here, we have desktop and we have mobile view. We have different plugins, apps, integrations, backgrounds, pop-ups that you can create, different sections, rows and columns, previews. These are all the things that we're going to use in order to grow our page. One thing I do ask you to do is save often, because if you exit from this page and you don't click on save, you're going to lose everything. So make sure you save often. So this is our first page. Okay, so say for instance, the affiliate link we want to be using is for a keto diet. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to give them an incentive to give us our email address. There's a website called PDLR. And over here, you can get a whole bunch of free ebooks that you can download and reuse as you want. So over here, we can actually offer that to them. So we can say to them, enter your email for a free keto diet cookbook. So now we made them an offer. They're going to enter their email address, they're going to enter their name, and they're going to click on to the next page. So what we'll do is when we connect our autoresponder, maybe in that first email that we sent to them, that's where we're going to give them the download link for their free ebook. So what we need to do now is change the style a little bit, make it more our style. So what we can do is, if you want, over here, we can change our background. So on the background, you can download images. So maybe you want different things for weight loss, for dieting. We can come over to Pexels, and there are hundreds of videos and pictures that you can use, all with Creative Commons. That means it's for free for you to use. So maybe we pick a nice picture to use as our background. Let's try this one over here. You just click on it, you click free download. It's going to download for you. So we can go off of that, and let's change our background. So we're going to see over here BG image, which stands for background image. We're going to upload a photo. So we just downloaded this one now from Pexels. We're going to open that. It's going to import into our back office over here, so we can upload some of the photo as a background for that page. Okay, so now the image is uploaded. All we need to do, double click on it, and it's going to go to our background. So now we have a nice bright green background, a little measuring tape on the side. I think it's quite nice. Over here, normally you can change the button and change the color. If you go to settings over here, afterwards you can change the background color. But I think the blue matches well with the measuring tape, so I think we should keep it like that. But if you wanted it to be green or yellow, or whatever you want, you could just change the color over here. So I'm going to keep it blue. The text color, we can leave it as white, but also the same thing. You can change the text color. Maybe you can have a green, or maybe a nice bright green. That's actually quite nice. It works well with the Apple. And then, so this is where we're going to capture our emails from. So in order to capture our emails, we need to send them to somewhere like Awebwer or GetResponse or a different email marketing provider. So how would we integrate that? Well, first of all, you need to go into your settings on the main dashboard of ClickFunnels, and you click on integrations, and then it's going to integrate the site for you. So you click on the integrations, you click on Awebwer or GetResponse, and it's going to do it for you. After that, when you're inside of here, we're going to go over to settings, integrations. I have Awebwer set up for me, so I'm going to click over here and click on Awebwer. If you want to use Awebwer, I have a link down below that's going to take you over to a free trial, and then obviously you can use Awebwer for your email response. Over here, we're going to select action, so you can go into an existing list, and then once you've created a list inside of Awebwer, you can actually connect it to with your funnel. So say we had a dieting one, I would click over here on dieting training. That's a list I have for all my dieting products. To go to this list, click on that, and now I am connected. So anytime anybody comes through here, fills in their name, fills in their email, and clicks over here, it's now going to go directly into that list, so we can offer them products further down the line. But now I see over here, maybe we can change up the button over here. We're going to change the text. Let's say, get the free book. Let's say the free keto cookbook today. So they're going to fill out the information, they're going to click on this, and then they're going to take it over to a thank you page. This is where we're going to connect our affiliate link to. So we're going to click on save over here. You can give it a title for whatever you want it to be. We can click on exit over here, and now we're going to set up the thank you page. So we're going to select the thank you page. We're going to get a template, or we're going to use a template that you've already created for the rest of your products. So let's pick a thank you page. As you can see, there are hundreds of templates again that you can choose from. You can have different colors, different designs, different backgrounds. You can put videos, you can put images. For more expensive products or products that you bought already, I would say put a video, explain a bit about yourself, explain a little bit about the product. And then what you're going to do is you're going to send them over to your affiliate link. But we're just going to do a simple thank you page. So let's try this one. We're going to select template, and it's going to upload, and we're going to edit it. So we click on edit page over here. It's going to open. Sometimes it takes a little while to open, but this one is quite fast. So over here, we can change the image. So maybe from the affiliate link, they give you an affiliate page that you can use. Would have different images, different logos, or maybe your company has a logo. You can put that in over here. We're going to click on settings, change the image to whatever you want it to be. So let's say I had this one from an old affiliates link that I was using before. So in whatever the image would be of your dieting, whatever product you're going to do, you just put it over there. You can have thank you. If you want to have a video over here, we can add in elements. You can add images, pop-ups. We can add a video in if you would like to. We can say thank you. You can speak a little bit. If you don't want to, if you can maybe write a paragraph, if maybe that's what you want to do, but just say thank you to your client. So it makes them feel more a connection to you. So they feel like they're buying from somebody that they know because they understand what you're talking about. So over here, this is where we need to put your affiliate link. So in order to connect your affiliate link, you're going to go over the top. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to set action. Over here, you're going to say, where would you like it to go? Website URL. So over here, we'll put whatever your affiliate link is. And then when they click on that button, it's going to go to your affiliate link. If you don't know where to get affiliate products from or affiliate links from, follow the video above me over here somewhere, and it's going to take you over to where you can find the best affiliate links and how to get affiliate links and how to become affiliate partners, where to find information about affiliate marketing. If you're not sure about how to connect an autoresponder inside of ClickFunnels, I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that takes you through a step-by-step process. Shows you how to get the product, how to take the information from the product and input it into your autoresponder. So what a lot of products do, they give you email follow-ups that you can use. In this training, it shows you how to insert these emails into your autoresponder, how to set up campaigns. So as soon as someone subscribes, they'll automatically start getting emails from you one day after each other, or you can separate them. It's a really great training. I think you should go check it out if you want to learn how to connect your autoresponder to ClickFunnels. If you enjoyed the training today and got some value from this training, please hit the like button down below. So now I have a small bonus for you. If you'd like to go into more depth of how to push your product, how to make more sales on your product, how to drive traffic to your product, and how to get your sales up, there's a link down below to the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. You're going to click on this and it's going to show you how sales funnels can exponentially grow the sales of your product. It's a really great course and they teach you all the steps into creating sales funnel, how to get traffic to your funnel, and how you're actually going to make more sales of your product, whether it's affiliate marketing or maybe just a business and you need to push out your product. If you find value in the content today, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you want to get a notification every single time I create a new video about how we're going to grow your online business, make sure to hit that subscribe button and have a good day.